Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about some methods in string. Earlier on we learned about strings, so let's fruit is equal to, you put it in a double quote or single quote, so we are putting it in a double quote, so I'm making it banana. So this is our fruit. So the way to do it is we call the fruit, then dot, give it length, then you bring your parentheses. So this will check the length of the value in the fruit, which is banana. We will check the length of the banana. So let's assign it to, so let's do let's length is equal to fruit dot length. Then so the length of the fruit will be saved or stored inside this length variable. So let's check it in our length. Let's save it, go to our browser. Okay, length is not a function as okay, sorry, we shouldn't bring the parentheses. Okay, let's save it and look, we got 6. That's right. So that's it. And we have another method called slice. So let's comment this out and check it. Okay, so the slice is a method used to remove some part from the variable, from the value inside the variable. So let's say you want to remove ban from the banana. So you will start from b, and the b index is 0, so you put 0 here at the first parameter, then you bring comma, then where you want to end it, where you want to end the parameter, sorry, where you want to end the slicing. So if you want to the slicing to start from b and ends at n, then you put an index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. So 3. Let's save it or store it in a variable. Let's say slice is equal to fruit dot slice. Okay, so let's save it and see. Okay, we got ban. That's right. So we removed ban from the banana using the slice method. So the slice method, the first parameter which we inserted 0 is where the slicing will start from. So 0 in the banana will be b, and where we want to end is 3. And note that where the ending part is not included, so if you put 3, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. The 3 is a, but the 3 wasn't included. So if you wanted just b and a, we would have make the ending 2. Let's say we can see. So we got back. That's it. Let me comment this one out. Okay, let me do it here. Let me comment this one out and let's move on. We have another method, string method called replace. This replace, we use it to remove some parts of the text and replace it with another one. So let's say inside here I said my name is Kingsford, but we want to remove we want to remove the Kingsford and replace it with Samuel. So this is how you do it. Fruits dot, then the replace method will bring the parentheses. So inside the parentheses, you will type what you want to. The first one is what you want to replace. So inside the replace parentheses, you will type in the name that you want to remove or what you want to remove. That's the first parenthesis. So you want to remove Kingsford, so you type Kingsford. Then the second parameter will be what you want to put in place of Kingsford. So you want to put Samuel in place. Let's store this in a variable. Let's replace is equal to, yes. Then we put replace here instead. Save it. You see my name is Samuel. Let's go back. We want to replace, so let's clear this. Okay, let me put another name here. Let's say Raindorf. Let's save it and check. You see my name is Raindorf. So that's it. Though we have many string methods like replace or to uppercase, to lowercase, to string concat. We have all that, but later on we will discuss that. So let's now move on to the next chapter.